Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X60 Pro and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on lock screen and wallpaper. Now let's enter wallpaper section, and as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the full list of defaultly installed wallpapers from which we can choose. What's more, after tapping on this picture icon in the right upper corner, you will be transferred to your own gallery if you want to, of course, pick your own photo and set it as a wallpaper. So all you have to do in order to change the wallpaper is to simply tap on it. So let me tap on this one, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the full screen. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. Right now you can decide where you want to set it, so you can set it to the desktop or lock screen and the home screen also. So I will pick this option, and as you can see, we've got the information that it has been applied successfully. So let's go back and check, and as you can see, it immediately appears on the home screen. Let's check the lock screen also, and the same situation, it is visible right here. So actually this is it. This is how to change the wallpaper in your VIVO X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.